Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm doing a quick side-by-side size comparison between the new iPhone XS Max and the Moto E5 Plus from Metro PCS. So we're just going to put them side by side and see how the screens and the body of the phones compare. So right off the bat, you can see the Moto does have quite a large chin at the bottom here, whereas the iPhone XS has almost none. So there's that. The bezels are pretty close. Obviously on the Max, the bezel is still smaller, and you've got that bigger bezel at the top right there as well. So, but in terms of screen, when you just compare the screens next to each other, you are getting a little bit more screen on the XS Max. So it stops about there. You still got all that in before you get to the bezel or the notch. Put them sideways like that. It's about the same. And when we measure it this way, really the same. About the same exact thickness. And that's all she wrote. Obviously, that it's a little bit taller overall. The overall phone on the Moto is taller because of the big chin on the bottom and the top. But one thing that you don't get on the XS Max that you get on the Moto is that 5,000 milliamp battery. So that's, obviously just quick spec right there. That's better. But this is it, guys. Just wanted to put them side by side so you guys can see how they match up in case you're considering switching to one or the other. So hope you guys found that helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.